how to edit audio in Capcut on Mac. So simply open your project and select the clip which you want to edit, and here make sure to click on the audio section, and here you can simply edit your audio. There are multiple ways how you can do it, multiple options. You can, for example, completely turn off the volume of the clip, or you can just reduce the volume or increase the volume. You can add here the fade in effect, so the audio will be fading in, as you can see here at the start, or you can use fade out, and also it will fade out at the end of the clip. And next, if you scroll down, you have multiple options. For example, I like to reduce noise. At the top of this menu, you can change the voice. As you can see, there are multiple voice changers. And also I will show you, if you want to extract the audio from this clip, just right click the clip and click extract audio. And here you can click this audio and you can customize it. So there is also the option speed, and you can speed the audio if you want to. Here you can zoom in and you can, for example, crop the audio. Just grab this timeline. You can crop it if you want, or you can just cut some section of the audio, and that's how you can edit your audio in Capcut on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.